she has harvested the sukuma wiki for the chicken and the maize. Now we are going to cook. We are going to cook with fire. As you know, at the village you usually cook the fire good because it is affordable. Umeamua kuweka juu ya kichwa?
Ndio, tunaweka kichwa kila kitu.
So that's the easiest way of carrying. If you go to the river, that's how we carry water, because traditionally they think that that is the only way, the easiest way you can carry your load. So wacha tuende tupike. God bless you. Guys, this maize, wow, how much? You know, we secure this maize, just you never knew that it will come up just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow. 16. Wow, 17, another one there, 18. So guys, if you are outside there, don't miss. Even if you have a small place, just plant some maize. Like this one's very much small in a place, a farm. Even you can plant in your inside some sacks. See how the outcome came up. And mama here was doing the job. Wasalimie hawa watu wangu.
Hello.
Mbona umekuja kutoa hizi mahindi kabla asijakauka? Tungepeleka nini? Tungepeleka kusaga.
Nasikia njaa ndio nakuja kutoa.
Tunasikia njaa. Si ungepika ugali?
Kila siku ugali.
Kila siku ugali. Watu wanakula kila siku ugali. She's saying every day ugali with sukuma wiki. These are all girls here. So we wanted to have like a change. So she decided to cut, and then we are going to cook, because ugali and the sukuma wiki you will get tired one time, so you need a change, like now cooking green corn. I hope you enjoyed the video. Up there, that's my parents' house, and this is our garden here, our small garden. Now we don't buy sukuma wiki. You can see it's a small farm, but still we are just enjoying and saving some money from buying sukuma wiki. Wow. She's removing for the chickens. Yeah. Utigawe nyanya. Babu kwagesire. Nokogeta korwa ndonsi.
Ujosha mabuli avocado. Hiyo ndio webali. Mabuli na kayora nyara avocado. Oli meza sambo mabuli mbaira nirao. Jago
Oh, Sabira.
Naji.
What a no. So guys, we are putting on the fire. For 1 hour it is going to be ready. So tunatumia kuni, so more fire, more smoke, more fire, more smoke. Oh, Jesus. So guys, let's see on the comment section. So I should put this one on top like this, so that to hold the steam from boiling like that. And that is it. I hope. Drop that comment if this is how you cook your boiled corn, how to boil corn, how to harvest corn. Please like the video, share to your friends. I know you have amazing friends outside there. So let's wait. Woo! Smoke. Now I am going to put some firewood from this side. Only we usually put from the one side, and that's it's a kind of a preservative of firewood. Yeah, it is ready. And we are cooking from here. Yeah, the corn is ready, boiled corn.